Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to compare the new Huawei GT2 Pro versus Amazfit Stratos 3. We will see what we have in these devices, we will do some tests, and in the end we will know which one is better and why. Let's begin immediately with the GT2 Pro from Huawei. As you can see in the taskbar, we have Do Not Disturb, Screen On, Find My Phone, Alarm, and Settings, as well as time, date, percentage of battery. Down we have the notifications, in the left we have the activities, in the right we have heart rate, stress measurements, weather, music control, and again the activities. If you go to the app list, with the button, you will see the first option is workout records, workout status, heart rate, blood oxygen, activity records, sleep, stress, breathing, call logs, contacts, music, air pressure, compass, notifications, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight, find phone, and the settings. This is basically all the options that we have without going in details. In the Stratos 3, we will find in the taskbar here date and time like usual, and the shortcuts for Do Not Disturb, brightness, airplane mode, screen on, power saving, and the settings as well. You can see we have 4 levels of brightness, and immediately you can see the differences of the screen. We have weather, health, heart rate, and back to the taskbar. In the left we have a GPS, in the right we have health, heart rate, sports, activities, exercise records, weather, alarm, compass, barometer, location, timer, stopwatch, music control, sleep, watch face, find phone, and the settings at the bottom. So you can immediately see the differences between these two devices. The main difference is the screen and the price, of course. So let's begin some tests immediately with the GT2 Pro. As you can see, we have here running courses, outdoor run, indoor run, walking, indoor walking, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, pool swimming, open water swimming, mountain bike, hike, trail running, driving range, skiing, snowboarding, cross-country skiing, rower, other, plus we can add more sports like outdoor sports, indoor high intensities. We can add yoga, pilates, crossfit, as you can see that we have here. Plenty of option to add, but just these that are in the main page are enough. We have outdoor running, the first option. Let's press go and skip this. You can see we have heart rate, pace, distance, and time in the first page. Next we have the steps, seconds, and calories, total ascending and altitude. We have heart rate with the zone as well. We have trailing by and average pace, training effect. And back at the first page, in the right we have the music control, and even in the right we have the GPS positioning, and we can get orientated by that, the compass as well. So this was the heart rate. The workout. Let's go to the heart rate. As you can see, immediately it started to measure it. We have down below highest and lowest. In the middle you can see we have the statistic for the heart rate that we measured before and the statistic that we are measuring right now. As I always say, all these data will be saved in the app for us later to check out what we did. Next, after that, we have the blood oxygen. For this option, we have to rest our hand here in the table. As you can see, it says keep still, measuring, keep the watch facing up, etc. All these instructions are for our better. You can see we got the measurements. If you move, you will ruin your measurements, so keep still while you are doing the blood oxygen. It's very important for that. Next we have the stress that it will measure automatically itself. We have the breathing exercises. You can see inhale and exhale. This is one of the best exercise probably in today's smartwatches. It helps you reduce stress and lower your blood pressure and heart rate. You can see the result will look like this. You can do some other things here in the GT2 Pro, like call from the watch, accept phone calls, air pressure, data, as you can see right here. We have the settings as well, which we can customize a couple of things. After that, we have the compass, which it helps you get orientated. And that's basically all that we have here in the GT2 Pro. You can see the other options that we have in the settings. We don't have anything else to measure or to test. In the Stratos 3, the first option is the heart rate. As you can see, we don't have any statistic here. We have only the main data, the heart rate zone, and at if you go at the three dots down below, you can see the last heart rate that you did. And again, the Stratos 3 saves all this data in the app for us later to check out what we did. You can see the results are coming now. This is one of the results, the first results. And you can see the screen when it shut down, it goes to the main screen. So that was the heart rate. After that, we have the sports. We have here running, walking, outdoor cycling, pool swimming, open water, treadmill, indoor cycling, elliptical, rowing machine, indoor fitness, on-foot climbing, trail running, triathlon, skiing, tennis, soccer, multi-sport, jump rope, and we can add exercise as well as delete them in case you want to add a couple of them, like winter sport, water sport, outdoor sport, etc. Here in the Stratos 3 we have plenty of workouts like we did in the GT2 Pro. As you can see, we have here average pace, sudden speed, average speed. Next we have altitude, distance gain, distance elevation loss, elevation gain, calories, and TI. We have heart rate zone with statistic. We have the routes like we did in the GT2 Pro. And we have time, distance, heart rate, and pace in the first page again. In the left, you can pause or save all the data that you did. We don't have music control here in the Stratos 3. But either way, it works perfect. We have the compass as well, like we did in the GT2 Pro. We have to calibrate it with that circle ball. And you can see it works perfect. It shows you the compass. We have the barometer that we didn't have in the GT2 Pro. So basically, this is all that we have in these devices. Guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.